Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to remove sponsored segments from any YouTube video while downloading it automatically. Uh, Most of the friends must have known this sponsor block extension, which basically skips the sponsored segments from YouTube video. You can just see here when I hover my mouse in this YouTube um, video bar, you can see the sponsor text here. This green highlight is for the sponsored segment, which is just shown by this sponsor block extension. Now what I am going to show you now is how to remove this sponsored part while downloading it. In order to do that, here are 5 steps that you have to follow. First, you have to download a yt-dlp tool, and in order to download that, you can either download it from GitHub or Softpedia. I'm going to download it here from now. Yt-dlp, search for yt-dlp here and click here and download. And depending upon your CPU architecture, you just select either 86-bit architecture or 64. In my case it is 64, so I'll just click 64 and wait for a while. Okay, download, wait for downloading, and while it is downloading I'll just explain the next part. What I have to do next is just after downloading I have to extract it in my desired location and copy that path of yt-dlp where I have extracted and add that path into environmental variable, which basically enables us to use yt-dlp tool in any location of our PC. If we have not if we don't add yt-dlp tool in environmental variable, we need to explicitly um, explicitly mention yt-dlp tool path every time when using command prompt to use yt-dlp. So for our convenience we are using this second step. I think the file is downloaded now, so I'll just double click it, extract to my desired location. I'm going to save it here in downloads, portable programs. Okay, I've extracted there, so I'll just go there, downloads, portable programs, and yt-dlp. Here I have extracted that file. I'll just copy this path and add it to the environmental variable. Just in start menu, type environmental variable and click here, click this option, and here click environmental variables in this tab. And to add path, in this path section, double click it and add new in order to add path. I've just copied that path. I'll press Ctrl B and I have done this. Okay, and okay. Our second step is complete. Now we just need to do this 3-step to download, and which basically is first step is run command prompt from the file where I want to download my video, and second is use yt-dlp to extract the format or resolution of the video I want to download, and after it lists the format or resolution, I'll just select the video quality plus audio quality video quality plus audio quality, and YouTube link followed by this uh, sponsor block argument, which uses sponsor block API in order to remove that sponsor part. I'll show you just now. Okay, suppose I want to download in my desktop folder called video. I'll just run command prompt from here and just follow this fourth and fifth option. I'll just copy for convenience, Ctrl C. Okay, now I have to just swap this link part of the text with actual link, which is gonna be this video. Copy, paste. Okay, now this yt-dlp tool will parse this link and show me the YouTube resolution here. And what I have to do is now select any two video quality and audio quality for our next step. For demonstration, I'm just going to use this low quality 360p video, which is gonna be about 16 MB, which ID is shown here. ID is shown here 396, and 396 plus this audio. I'm going to use this 139. Okay, we go to fifth option. I'll just copy this and here, and like previously I have to just remove this link part and replace it with actual link, and in place of 399, which is the video ID shown here, I will just select 139 for audio. This is 139 for audio, and this 16 MB file, which is 396 video ID, 396 for video, 396 for video. Okay, now I'm going to explain this part of command one by one. This yt-dlp is the tool we are using, so it is a given, so I don't need to explain that. This -f is the option for specifying video format, where I'm specifying this 396, which is 360p video resolution, and this 139 is the audio quality in M4A format, which is about 4 MB. You can choose any kind of audio. WebM is also supported. I'm just going to use it right now. This is video plus audio, and this is YouTube link followed by this sponsor block minus remove sponsor all, which is the argument that uses sponsor block API in order to remove the sponsored segment from the video. And here we can see this sponsor / all. You don't need to use this. You don't need to use this sponsor / all. Either use all option or use sponsor option. For now, I am going to use all option because this all option is going to remove all kinds of sponsored stuffs or form of sponsored, which is basically like sponsored content, highlights, intermission, introduction, recap, non-music section in music video, which is very annoying, that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm just going to use this and enter. I hope I have explained this part enough. Okay, just wait for it now. You can see here that it has found 5 segments in the video. In the sponsored, uh, this yt-dlp tool is using the sponsor block API, and in the sponsor block, through sponsor block API, it has accessed this sponsor block database, which has about 5 segments in the video. And although in this video I can only see only two part where sponsored is highlight, but it is only because I have only selected uh, only some kind of sponsor option, such as sponsor and non-music section. If I had selected this on-paid promotion, highlight, etc., etc., I'm sure it will be there will be a lot more highlight in this video bar. Okay, I think we are at 5965. Okay, video is downloading pretty quickly. Okay, now our video download is complete, and this video will be saved in the same path where the yt-dlp tool was run, and it was we ran it from C user desktop video, which is basically this folder. Now I'm going to open it in order to verify whether
Years won't be openable by any other program if
this
Microsoft
sponsored part is actually removed or not. In order to verify, I'll just open both windows side by side, and you can see from here that this video is actually of length. This video length is actually 13 minutes 13 seconds, as you can see here. But after this sponsored block API blocks the segments, it is actually about 11 minutes 54 seconds. The after removing sponsored content, it is about 11 minutes 54 seconds. And also you can also see it here. This video is about 10 minutes 53 seconds, which means this video's sponsored section has been removed. And not only sponsored, but maybe also intermission and other types of sponsored format, which may not have been blocked in this YouTube video section, but it has.
heavy lobby
We have successfully removed all kinds of sponsored and random stuff from it. I think this much is okay. Thank you.
being armed.